Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to print your insurance cards from Allstate. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and print your Allstate insurance cards just for insurance purposes or record purposes. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is scroll down to where it says Get ID Card, which is this button here. Click on Get ID Card, and then once you click on Get ID Card, you should be able to select the vehicle from this drop-down menu if you have multiple vehicles connected to your Allstate account. But if you scroll down a bit more, you're going to see this option here that says View to Print. So if you click on View to Print, this is going to open up a PDF file of your Allstate cards. So as you can see here, this is going to be the printable version. All you've got to do is click on this print button on the top right hand side or download it to your computer and then open it up and print it out. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and print your Allstate insurance cards from Allstate. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.